Hi, this is Martin, product marketing lead at Gretel. In this video, we're going to go through how to use our auto params feature to automatically select the optimal batch size and epoch number for your next ACTGAN model. Using a sample data set here, just to get that started quickly, we're going to click on sample synthetic healthcare data. We click next, create model. Here we get going. If you select down here our tabular ACTGAN model, as we spoke about, you'll see in our config editor over here, you could edit our config editor just by clicking edit there. But you can see our epochs and batch size are both set to auto. And now what happens is when I click begin training here, our workers will start spinning up and our engine will automatically detect data set and features of the data set and recommend and batch size and epoch value that will optimize model results. So we're going to wait a couple seconds here as our workers start up. You see a little squiggly line showing you that we're working behind the hood. And there you go, workers spinned up. If you check here, we can go down and see that we have a recommended epochs of 600 and a batch size of 600. So again, this works in our tabular ACTGAN model. Hope you try it out today, and happy synthesizing.